Hello. Today we're going to show you how to create a flower pot using FreeCAD. Let's get started. Open FreeCAD and create a new project. Switch to the Part Design workbench. Create a new body, then open the sketcher. Select the XY plane and click OK. Use the hexagon tool or circle tool if preferred to draw the base shape at the center. Adjust the dimensions to your desired pot size. Click Close to finish the sketch. Repeat the following steps to create additional sketches for the pot profile. Select the same body. Create a new sketch on the XY plane. Use the circle tool to draw a slightly larger or differently sized circle. Close the sketch. Repeat again to draw a third circle with even larger dimensions. To position the sketches at different heights, go to the Model tab. Select each sketch, scroll down to Attachment Greater Than Position, and adjust the Z value to vertically stack the profiles as needed. Additive Loft, creating the pot. Select the first base sketch, then click on Additive Loft. In the Loft Parameters window, click Add Section, then select the second sketch. Click Add Section again and select the third sketch. Repeat as needed. Once all sections are added, click OK. You should now see a smooth flower pot shape. Adding design features. To add a mouth design, select the top face of the pot. Go to Pocket. Set the depth as desired. Click OK to complete the pocket cut. Now your pot has a decorative design at the top. Creating a handle. Create a new body, then open Sketcher. Select the XY plane. Draw a small circle. This will be the handle's profile. And close the sketch. Create another new body and open Sketcher again. Select the XZ plane and draw a line or curve. This will be the path of the handle. Close the sketch, select both sketches, then choose Additive Pipe. A handle will now appear. To position the handle correctly, click the handle sketch in the model tree and right-click the mouse, then select Transform. Move and rotate the handle to align it perfectly. Now, your flower pot with a decorative top and side handle is now ready. Try it at home. If you try it, let me know how it goes. Feel free to leave a comment or ask any questions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more FreeCAD tutorials.